In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an image background using the Icons 8 Background Remover plugin. We're going to walk through the process from selecting your image to getting a clean, transparent background, all within a couple of clicks. I'll keep it simple, clear, and easy to follow. Let's start with an example. This is my background image on the canvas. With the image ready, place your cursor over it and right-click on it. A context menu will appear. From that menu, click on Plugins. This opens the area where you can access tools that extend your editor's capabilities. Next, click on Manage Plugins. This is where you can find and add new plugins you might need. In the search bar at the top of the plugin manager, type Icons 8 Background Remover. You should see the plugin appear in the results. Click on it to open its page, then click on Save. Saving here confirms the plugin is available in your workspace so you can use it right away. That's all you need to do to enable it. Now return to your image, right-click on it again to bring up the context menu, click on Plugins once more. This time you should see the background remover in your list. Click on the background remover to open its controls. In the plugin interface, click on Remove Background. At this point, the plugin begins processing your image. You may see a spinner or a brief loading message. Wait for it to finish loading. Don't click away or make changes while it's working, just give it a moment. The time it takes can vary depending on your image size and your internet speed, since background removal is processed online. Once the loading completes, the background is removed, leaving your main subject isolated, usually on a transparent background. If your image has clear contrast between the subject and the background, the results are often excellent. For busy or highly detailed backgrounds, you might see minor edges. In those cases, you can refine the result afterward using your editor's standard tools, but the plugin does the heavy lifting. A few quick tips as you work. Make sure your image is clearly selected before right-clicking. Confirm you're clicking the plugins menu in the context menu. And remember, you can always undo if you want to try again. That's it. Simple, fast, and efficient. You've just removed a background using the Icons 8 Background Remover plugin without leaving your editing